So this lady was going for a walk when a bird mistook her eyeball for food. It could have easily ended badly, but luckily both bird and lady are fine. What happens next? The fish doesn't want to be saved and jumps back out. It immediately gets eaten by a hungry snapping turtle. See, a fisherman hooks it up immediately and takes it.
Oh no! No!
What happens next? They fight and the giraffe wins. They fight and the elephant wins. See, the alpha male lions come and they both run for their lives. What happens next? A bear joins them. The roof collapses on them, but they survive. See, all of a sudden violent winds destroy the entire area.
Ботинок, и мне по яйцам, блядь, застреливает.
What happens next? Of course, a fight breaks out. One of them gets up to do a backflip but fails. See, one of them gets naked, full nude.
Зачем?
Не мой ботинок.
Ух ты! Ёшки-матрёшки!
Брат! Вот это лезгинка! Вот это лезгинка!
Ты видел это?
Первый раз делал. Хватит здесь цирк, бля, что на бля.
What happens next? He completes the loop and adds a beautiful backflip. The floor collapses and he falls into it. See, he falls on his face and breaks both of his legs.
Bro!
What happens next? He hits him with his bike. They start kissing and hugging. See, police show up and arrest both of them.
Motherfucker!
What happens next? He catches a shark and panics. His boat starts sinking fast. See, a flying jet ski comes out of nowhere and destroys his boat. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.